What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday, and it is officially October, so you know what that means. We are authorized to kick off Halloween! Woohoo! I got my little pumpkins out here. We're gonna have a good time. It is officially October. It is officially the month of Halloween. It's officially Wednesday. So, what's up? So it is officially October, and I've got out a few things from the basement. We're gonna start decorating for Halloween, and I've had these things for a long time. This is Mr. Pumpkin, and Mr. Pumpkin has been up on our front porch for years and years. I think I bought this at Michael's, maybe 10 years ago at least. And it's still growing strong. The original bulb is still working in him. So he'll be out there to scare all the little trick-or-treaters. Then we have Little Pumpkin Jr. And I think I've had this one for at least 13, 14 years. And I've never changed the bulb out of this one either. So I probably paid like $8 for this at Michael's. So I've had these pumpkins for a lot of years, and they have been going strong. So we're going to be putting these out again this year. Here I have just a little pumpkin basket. I bought this maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I think last year we did like a big Christmas tree shop haul, and I got these little oven mitts. These are actually just for fall in general. For Thanksgiving. Woo! I think I paid like $1 a piece for them. And I got these Halloween ones, and I've never used them because the tags are still on them. And I have no idea where I got these. I could have gotten them at the Dollar Tree, something like that. I don't know, but they just say Happy Halloween. Yay, right? So we're going to be putting these out. And I also have these little pumpkins here. And I've had these for a long time too. If you saw some of our videos around Halloween last year, I think I had these in the background. I actually paid $1.99 for these wherever I got them. And they, they have little tea lights in them. So we're gonna go ahead and light our little tea light. Ooh.
Disclaimer, parents, if you're letting your kids do this, do not burn the house down. It's not worth it.
Are you getting a little scared, Eric? Woo! And we got pumpkin number 2. Woo! This is about as scary as I get for Halloween, is these little guys. Woo! They put out some pretty good light. So there's a few of our Halloween decorations. I have a ton more. I'm just starting to get things out, and these are actually the first little things that I've got out. Little pumpkins and our little mitts here. Yay! Yay! So I do have something this week. We did a video on some new Temp-tations that I got that was recently on QVC. And when I unboxed them, the big baker, right? The big baker had a bunch of smearing on the paint. So I actually got something to replace it. So let me get it. So what I did is when I called QVC about the issue, they told me I had 2 options. I could pack it all up and send it back to them and they'll send me a new set, or I could call Temp-tations directly. I wasn't too thrilled about having to pack it all up. I didn't even think I could get it all back in the box. So I called Temp-tations directly, and they were the nicest people ever. And within a few days, I got this on my front porch. They sent me a replacement. So if that isn't customer service, I don't know what is, right? And one of the things I can tell you is it kind of amazes me that they can be so efficient getting stuff to you, because on the shows, when they're demonstrating Temp-tations, they'll sell like 5,000, 10,000 pieces, just bam, right? And it's amazing that they can get all those pieces to everybody across the country, shipped and to your doorstep, you know, in a perfect condition, because you know how shipping can be, right? It's amazing that they can make that happen. Not only that, getting them all manufactured. So let's see what they sent us. Woo! This is packaged really well. That's all I can say. Seems like Temp-tations packages it better than QVC does. Wow. I'm amazed that they still had my color, because I'm a floral lace person and I like eggplant. So they were selling these like hotcakes. This is a little difficult because I sort of roughed up my shoulder at the end of the last week. That's one of the reasons why I didn't get a video up over the weekend, is because I was moving stuff around in my office at work and I sort of overdid it with my shoulder. So I've been trying to give it a rest. And this is not giving it a rest. They did some serious packing on this. So let's see what we have. Oh, cool. Yay, this one is perfect. Awesome. Check all the paint on it. This one looks good. So the paint looks good on the inside. I think we got hooked up. Temp-tations has really great customer service. They got this right out in the mail to me, and it's really, really nice. So
thank you, Tara.
Thank you, Tara and Temp-tations. I'm really happy with the set, and I'm looking forward to using it. I think I'm going to make some enchiladas in this. So I'm looking forward to that. And they gave me a little user guide with it. I think I got this with the main set. So, yeah, so we got our Temp-tations set is complete. So a few of the comments I've received on the videos, someone asked, have we ever done a spatchcock chicken? We've never done an actual chicken, but we did do a whole turkey one year for Thanksgiving. I'll put a link to that down in the description. I can try to do a chicken as well. It's been a while since we did that video, and definitely the timing is going to be different because the turkey is huge, right? And the chicken is a lot smaller. So we might do that in the future. Basically, spatchcock turkey or chicken is you cut out the backbone and you flatten the chicken out and you roast it like that, where it's all like
even and flat. It cooks faster too.
It does cook faster, and they cook really, really, really nice. So a lot of people have tried out the cooking the plain white rice in the Instant Pot. We did a 1-to-1 water to rice ratio, and it seems like everybody's having a lot of success with that. I haven't heard one person really that had a fail. They all say it turns out fabulous. So I'm pretty much thinking that in the Instant Pot, the sweet spot for rice is a 1-to-1 water to rice ratio. That formula seems to work really, really good.
What about rice-a-roni?
No rice-a-roni. Someone asked, could the Breville Sous Chef food processor replace a KitchenAid mixer? My answer to that is really they're kind of two different things. A food processor runs really fast. It's great for chopping and slicing and all that fun stuff. It is great for making pastry. It comes with the dough blade, but it's not that great for dough because it doesn't really develop the gluten. So I would say that a KitchenAid mixer and the Breville Sous Chef food processor or any food processor is pretty much completely different animals. So I would get both, right? So what's up? It's Wednesday. We are screaming into Halloween. It is past the 1st of October, so we are officially authorized to kick off the Halloween season. Get your pumpkins out, get your jack-o'-lanterns out, start thinking about the candy you're gonna get it early because it sells out, right? And start thinking about your Halloween festivities, celebrations, if you're gonna have a party or if you're just giving out candy. That's usually what we do, but we have a great time doing it. So I hope you're having a great Wednesday. I hope you're enjoying the kickoff to fall and Halloween, and you're ready because the holiday season is screaming towards us, right, Eric? Yay! So get ready for that. So happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great week. The weekend's on the way, and I hope you're planning what you're going to cook for the weekend. We're working on that slowly, and we should have some videos out this weekend. My shoulder is starting to feel a little better. Oh, it's been sore, right? But it's getting there. So I hope you're having a great week, and happy kickoff to Halloween. Ooh, happy Halloween! Okay. That was kind of weird.
Because it's Wednesday, why don't you come along with me? Because it's Wednesday.
I see your gut hanging.
Because it's Wednesday. So, but I'm on TV. Now I am. Hi, people.
Okay, let's go.
Let me...
And I never...
Cut. Coffee went down my windpipe. Time out still. Okay.
Jeez, cameraman.
All right. Amy Learns to Cook Hotline. Can I answer your question?
Yeah.